PRTG stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So again, crazy performance on Friday. I mean, I saw Portage Biotech go up 70%, which is crazy. I have done well over 39,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors that you don't have to for 5 years. And generally speaking, last time I made a video, I wanted to take things up or buy. I was very open-minded for a long, but never got that confirmation to do that long. And now coming back, I mean, yeah, nah, we kind of had like a triple top and the price really does not want to break above it. It's kind of like there's some limiting borderline that it really does not want to cross. I mean, I'm looking at a whole, this is a beautiful demand zone. It doesn't immediately mean that I'm going to be buying, but it does mean that because it's a demand zone, the only last thing that I'm looking to do is buy, right? Even more. Now, obviously not financial advice, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.